So punched one grommet already. So I'm going to do another one right here. See if I can zoom in a bit here. It's hard to see, I guess, where I marked the hole. There. It's right here. I'm going to try, because it is vinyl, I have my punch. I'm going to heat it up and see if I can push it through by hand. Oh man, so I've been using a hammer to beat this thing through. That worked out much better. Alright, let me get a grommet. Be right back. Alright. Anvil, body of the grommet, and then the collar. Poke the grommet through the front. Put the collar on here. Gotta hold everything together. And then the punch. I have a block of wood back there. Hopefully I won't embarrass myself by hitting my hand. Success. It's that easy. 8 more. All right, so just gonna close out the video. All the ropes are pretty much the same length, within an inch. That's fine. Everything's neat and tidy. The grommets went together well. These grommets here, I had to go through 8 layers of material. Well, 6, not 8. 3 for this side, 3 for this side, because there's a seam here that one of the things that the sales shop did do right was they stitched that shut for me. So I wasn't sure the grommet was going to grab, but it did. And we're looking good here. And around the back end. And driver's side. And these ropes just keep the tarp from flapping out like this, which we see the mirror there, which can interfere with the driver's rear view. So that's done. Thanks for watching my video. Hope everybody had a good day today on Saturday. All right, later.